Good morning everyone and welcome to our new episode of House Tour. So once again, my name is Ray Milyada. I am your presenter today. So we are located here in the Grand Centennial Homes in Kawit, Cavite, featuring you with this house for sale with a lot area of 160 square meters and with a floor area of 210 square meters. So you have this fence. The house is single detached with car garage. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath, and the house is detached. And then look at this, it's a massive house. Alright, so pasokin natin sa loob. So upon entering this house, so you have this fence. Wow, look at your floorings, it's so nice. Then you have this plants. The house is so large. It's a typical house. I think it's a castle house. And check natin dito sa kabila. Then you have this grotto area. Wow. Then you have that 2-meter setback, which is later on you can improve for your dirty kitchen. And this is the entire house. This house is not for us. Alright guys, check natin sa loob. Welcome to your new house. Look at this. This is a very big house. Wow. So this is your living area wherein you can receive your guests. It's an open ceiling house. And dito po sa iba, you have this 1 bedroom. Wow, with built-in cabinet and with toilet and bath. Look at this, guys. It's so nice. Alright, check natin yung sa second bedroom. Before we're going to the second floor, check natin po yung kanilang dining area. So this is the dining area. We're in, ayun yung kanilang kitchen. And then you have this toilet and bath, and they have this pantry area. Look at this, guys, diba? Very cute. The pantry area is so cute. And doon sa likod ng bahay nila, they have the dirty kitchen. Pero what makes this impressive because of their design, no? The design. And then check natin yung kanila pong second floor. Alright, so upon entering the second floor, you have this very high stairs which leads you to the second floor. And ito siya, guys. No? Dito sa itaas, you have this hallway and a family area. Look at this. Ang ganda ng bahay. Look at this. Actually po, once na-renovate mo ito or nabili mo na ito, mas maganda pa yung bahay na ito, guys. So dito sa itaas, you have this 1 room. Look at this. Actually, this room can be converted into a music room or an office. Wow. But dito sa loob po ng Grand Centennial Homes is napakatahimik siya. Alright, so this is the bedroom 3. Wow, it's so large. So kaya na isang king size bed. And check natin yung bedroom 4. Wow, the same thing is so large at ang laki din ng bahay na ito. And complete po ito sa fixtures kasi it has built-in cabinets. And they are selling this house ready for occupancy for 12 million pesos. Oh, ang ganda. Diba? So, konting retouch. At saka ito, palitan mo to itong mga fences dito sa itaas. Palitan mo to ng glass. So, tempered glasses. So, mas maganda pa siya lalo kung tempered glasses. Alright? So, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Yung description nito ay nandito po sa ibaba. So, if you wish na makita mo tong property na ito, so message lang po kayo and para makita niyo po ng actual yung bahay. Alright, so thank you so much and God bless us all.